Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error that says there is an error selecting this partition when installing Windows 11. Before you start, it is very important to back up all important files from the drive on which you are installing Windows. This method will remove everything from that disk. First, close the setup window and restart your computer. Boot again using the Windows 11 USB installer. When the Windows setup screen appears and asks where you want to install Windows, press Shift and F10 together. This will open the command prompt window. In the command prompt, type diskpart and press Enter. This opens the disk management tool. Next, type list disk and press Enter. You will see a list of all drives connected to your computer. Look at the sizes to find the drive where you want to install Windows. Once you are sure, type Select Disk, followed by the disk number and press Enter. Now type Clean and press Enter. This will remove all partitions from the selected disk and fix the partition error. Wait until the process finishes. After that, close the command prompt. Go back to the Windows setup and start the installation again. You should no longer see the error and you can continue installing Windows normally. Thanks for watching.